am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
And you ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out, evaluated.
Yeah, I had a couple over there that were from 95.
It's just crazy. Like, this stuff survives. You heard that too? What is up, everybody? It's your boy ddogvlogs here with another insane adventure. Today's adventure, I am joined by Carlo Paolozza. So Sincere is outside in the car, keep it 6, because we are exploring an abandoned time capsule farmhouse. This place is incredibly creepy. It's old Victorian style. Hope you guys enjoyed the adventure. If you do, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's get into it. Starting off in here, little mud room. Well, I can't even say little. It's quite large. It is freezing out, guys. Oh, whoa. The old jersey. Look at that. Whoa. That is so cool. And then it just goes to the old kitchen. Wow. This is crazy. This really is just a relic stuck in time. Wow. This is crazy. The basement is flooded, as I figured it would be. The old pill.
65.
Wow.
Everything in behind that is. It says right there.
This is so cool. This is a calendar. (2007) calendar.
Oh yeah, I found 2001 over there. That's probably later.
Mm-hmm. Oh, whoa. The old pictures on the wall still. Wow. Can't believe they survived all this time. Wow. The camera's already giving me a battery warning because of how cold it is. Wow, look at this. That is so cool. The fact that it's still hung up and it survived that long is just incredible to me. Can't even open half the stuff. It's just so cold. Oh wow, look at that. Another one. Might have actually been in this house. I swear there's a voice, but it might have been Jamie outside. I swear I just heard a voice, but it might have just been So Sincere outside. He is in the car keeping 6 right now, and this window is wide open, so. Oh wow, the old closet. I love the old colors in here. The old psych ward bluish green. Absolutely love that color. Oh yeah, look how steep these stairs are. Oh my god, the power works up here.
What?
The power works up here.
No.
Oh my god. These stairs are basically like a ladder. Oh. Oh wow. Look at this, guys. Holy crap. Oh my god.
That is just so...
It's like a ladder.
Yeah, it is.
You're not going to believe this.
What?
I'm not going to tell you. You're not going to believe this.
Am I coming up?
Yeah, you have to. Oh, holy crap. Bro, this is incredible. You got that too? That is so old.
That I'm walking on?
Just look in there.
The nails.
That's incredible. Old newspaper, guys. 89th year. So 1989. 1989 newspapers. Look at that.
My first amazing, I thought this could have been a waterbed, to be honest. You know, looking at how old school it was.
That's so cool. Wow. So much asbestos in here, huh? Luckily it's winter, so not much of it's gonna get kicked up. Oh, look at the old curtains. Holy. Literally the old curtains. That is so cool. That is amazing. The old phone, yo. That is so cool. Oh my god. Hang in the drawers. I can't open them. They're so old. Wow. This is so incredible. Look at this room.
Yo. What were you going crazy about over here?
Look at that.
Oh, the old phone?
That is so cool.
Make a phone call.
And the old curtains over there still hung up. Like, they survived that long. And then you got the old newspaper from 89. Like,
Yeah, I had a couple over there that were from 95.
it's just crazy. Like, this stuff survives. You heard that too? It was like a voice. I heard one downstairs too. I thought it was Jamie, but I don't think he'd be
Where's the front of the
being
house?
loud right now.
He's keeping 6.
Over there. See, that's
It's an animal.
see, that's what I heard too.
I heard it in the room over there, and I'm like, yeah, it's gonna scare us, but dang,
There's probably an animal up in the attic.
100%.
It's gonna fall out of the ceiling at us. Alright, we're gonna go over here. Oh wow, yeah. This is pretty amazing. Carlo's going downstairs and just checking this out. Oh, there's an old needle.
What?
There's an old needle, like an old medical needle though. Probably. Maybe. Or there's an old junkie. 1975 newspaper. Look at that, guys. Alright guys, on that note, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. We are ending this off in the incredibly creepy bedroom. The owner probably passed away in this room, which really creeps me out. But yeah, don't forget, go check out Carlo. All of his links are going to be in the description below. But hope you guys enjoyed it. Till the next adventure, peace. What is up, everybody? It's your boy ddogvlogs here with another insane adventure. Today's adventure, we are exploring a couple of abandoned houses. I am joined by Carlo and Terry. Both their links are going to be in the description below. We're not really sure what to expect. Hope you guys enjoy the adventure. If you do, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's get into it. On this adventure, we're going to be exploring a few abandoned houses, all in one video. Hope you guys enjoy the adventure. If you do, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Let's get into it.